Yeah, man, what is steam? So, I'm Fejika, morning, afternoon, evening, or good night, whatever time it is. Welcome. Today, I'm gonna cook some curry fish and some rice. Yeah, probably rice and peas. You see, what go on when we get started, we know for rice and peas. Our white rice, huh? So, see ya. Yeah, people, as you can see, a nice sunny day today. See the sun is out bright today. There's been a lot of rain lately, but now it's just a beautiful sky. Yeah, beautiful sky. Yeah, man. Sun is out. Yeah, man. Watch it steam, Beautiful day. Yes, people, you see, anytime you come to Jamaica, you have to try one of those patty, juicy beef patty. You have to try the patty them. You have to try either juicy beef or you have to go try tasty. I sure you don't tasty this. We're passing down by tasty, so you might have to try patty them when you come to Jamaica. That's one. That's juicy beef over there. Yeah, man, you have to try it. Over there we have KFC. KFC over there. Yes, people. Right here we have tasty. Yeah, man. Um, Difference about the patties. I think mother's patty is not so spicy. Yeah, tasty patty and juicy beef patty. I think they have some spice. Yeah, some pepper in them. So tasty patty nice, but if you don't like spice and them thing there, you can always go. Yeah, you can always go with a mother's. You see it. So right here, a tasty. When you want your patties, you just stop either juicy beef, mothers, or right here, a tasty. Yeah, man, patty nice. And that's where you have mothers. Well, people, change your plan. Curry chicken and rice instead. Shop close from after 12 and now it's after 2. Yeah, man, what is steam? So, people, is curry chicken and white rice. Yeah, man. What is steam? Light up the fire in the kitchen. Say me a go cook something finger licking. Say feel light up the fire in the kitchen. Please subscribe now who is watching. Me say feel light up the fire in the kitchen. Say me a go cook something finger licking. Me say feel light up the fire in the kitchen. Please subscribe now who is watching. Okay, what is steam? So we have to get this thing run off fast cause time is going. Cause me and Frederica come off road a little late and now we got season in the pot. We got some scallion, we got some onion, we already wash off the chicken already. And now we're gonna add some salt and black pepper. Also some mixed seasoning on the meat. Yeah man, what is steam? So now we're gonna add some salt. What is steam? Yeah man, so we're giving you a closer look. We have some onion, some scallion, and we also trying a little ginger on it right now. Yeah, so we're gonna rub some powder seasoning on it. We're gonna get the salt. We're gonna get we have some mixed seasoning here. This is what they call mixed seasoning. But we have some already, so not gonna pull this one. I found some already pulled, so we're gonna use this one already mixed up already. So when it mix up, it look like that. So we're gonna throw the mixed seasoning on it right there. Add in the mixed seasoning, and then we're gonna add some black pepper, salt, and some of the curry on it. And we're gonna rub it up on the meat.
and just cover it a while and leave it to marinate a little, and then gonna light the stove. Now we're adding the black pepper. Yeah man, so black pepper is optional, a lot of people don't want to use any black pepper, so now we're gonna use some salt. One upon a time there, when you're cooking curry, they say all you need is some black pepper and salt. No bag of seasoning and anything there, but if you want to make it look nicer, we just add some more seasoning to it, like this powder seasoning or some Maggi seasoning. So right now, we're about to add some curry to it, and then we're gonna rub it all in and just leave it to marinate. Yeah man, what is steam? All these ingredients together. Yeah man, just rub it all in the meat and then rub it all over, that the seasoning reach every inch and corner of the meat, so it will be more sweet and nicer. Yeah, so we just rub up that. So we're gonna cover it and leave it a while to marinate and them thing there. In the meanwhile, we're gonna just catch up this fire, cause we never catch up the fire as yet. So right now we're gonna get the fire started. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm gonna add the Irish to it, but first, it's coming from under the ground, so we're gonna wash it off first. Here we have it. Wash it off, and then we're gonna peel it. And if you want, you can rinse it off again, but I don't think we should peel it with all the dirt. So we just wash it off first, and then we peel it. Yeah, man. What is them? Yeah, there we have it. All cut up, the Irish on it. And we also have a green pepper that we're gonna throw in the oil this time, and them thing that, cause as long as it don't burst, it won't be hot and spicy too much. Yeah man, what is steam? I know Fajika afraid of pepper. So let's get the fire started. Here we have it. Fire is lit. Yeah man, and that's it. So after that ketchup and them thing there, we're gonna get the pot on the fire. What is steam? It's getting dark up. It's about a couple minutes to 5 and it's looking like, yeah, the rain is setting. We're gonna get a little rain. Yeah man. Yeah man, so we just wait till the oil hot. We just add a green pepper and a bag of garlic. But we're not gonna make the pepper burn too much, because Fajika afraid of pepper. Right now we're just adding the curry. Let it burn a little, then we're adding the meat in the pot. Yeah man, what is steam? Yeah, so right now just gonna cover the pot and let it kinda steam fry down little. Then we add some water to it. Yeah man, what is steam? Yes, right there we got the pot covered, and when it goes down to oil, the water in the pot goes down to oil a little. We add some water in the pot. Yeah man. Yeah man, see it there? It gone down to oil back again. So Right now, we're just gonna add a little water to it. Yeah, man. Yeah. So you see right here, we're adding the water. So right now, just gonna cover the pot and let it cook down. And then when that cook down a little, we add the water with some seasoning and them thing there. The water with the seasoning, the stock and them thing there. So in this dish, we have the seasoning and the stock and the Irish and them thing that we are going to throw in after this goes down. Yeah, man. What is Steve? So there we have the seasoning water, the stock and the Irish. Yeah, man. Alright, my people. So now I'm just going to close the pot and let it cook. A little rain falling, people, but the show must go on. What is steam, you know? Don't know if I can see the raindrops. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the rain a calm down while the food a cook down and chicken ready up now can come off the fire. We're gonna take it off right now, right there. So now we're about to put on the rice. Got the chicken, the curry chicken, finish and looking so nice. Yeah, man, what is steam? Yeah, man, what is steam? So we have the pot and fire ready to get the rice in. We're gonna add some salt, some scallion, and some thyme and get this started right and now. What is steam? Yeah, man, you see it? Curry chicken looking finger licking. Yeah, and the rice is about to start. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Yes, so the rice is adding to the pot. Just gonna add a piece of this butter right here and stir the pot and close it. Well, people, the water they look too much. I'm gonna get out some. Too much now. Was the time to get out some. Yeah, man. All right, I'm good to go. Cover the pot and let's let it steam. Okay, Frederica, don't eat already and lay down in a bed. I watch TV, cartoon.